Damn, I'm gonna miss my big mirror. I love this because this is how I see everything. So like I see the rear, you see my blind spot. Obviously from this side I just look over, so it's fine. But yeah, this helps my blind spot. And then obviously look at the mirror. But God, it feels crazy. I've never had use these mirrors. I've always just used these. And this is just Walmart, so like it is not some fancy name brand mirror. So this is meant to slide over your current one. So your camera is right there. There is another option where it's supposed to replace the whole thing, but I guess I just didn't pay attention. So now we have this one. I would plug in your power, your GPS, your rear, just to like check it out. Let's turn on the car. To remove this. Let's turn that down. Oh, there it goes. There's your front already. I don't like these. Like, I understand like being hardwired, but like, why can't we like hide wires better? Cool. You know, so on the CRV, and I hope you can hear me because I hope I'm not like on Bluetooth. I would put the double-sided sticky tape on here, and then your view's gonna be like right here, which is that. And you can like go up and down. Let's turn off the stupid click tone.
Do it. Hello?
Whoever made that sound, whatever, how dare you. Here's your display modes, front, rear, split. You can sound record, loop record. Remind yourself to wake up. Wi-Fi. Let's see what this looks like. Panorama, pull, I don't know. Cam flip. Mirror flip. Oh, that's cool. Date stamp on, yes. Time style, because I am weird. Okay. I'm gonna have to look up what flicker means. Format. I think it does say to format SD card before setting anything up. Confirm. Well, there's an app. So there's your QR code to download the app to get better experience on this. And you can look at all of your saved videos and whatnot. So it is easy to install, but the problem is having to hide all of these, because then you have all your pillars and all your stuff to like move, probably like the headliner,